Hey there, guys. Welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that most of us want to achieve: toned arms. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to share with you 7 must-try exercises that will help you achieve the toned arm look you've been dreaming of. Are you ready? Let's get started. Exercise 1. Push-ups. The first exercise on our list is a classic push-up. This exercise is perfect for toning your arms, chest, and shoulders. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body to the ground and push yourself back up. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Exercise 2. Tricep dips. Next up, we have tricep dips. This exercise targets the triceps, the muscles at the back of your arms. Sit on the edge of a bench, place your hands on the bench, fingers pointing towards your body. Slide your bottom off the bench, straighten your arms, and then lower your body towards the ground. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Exercise 3. Bicep curls. Let's move on to bicep curls. This exercise is perfect for toning your biceps, the muscles at the front of your arms. Hold a pair of dumbbells, one in each hand, with your palms facing up. Bring the weights up towards your shoulders and then slowly lower them back down. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Exercise 4. Hammer curls. Hammer curls are another great exercise for toning your biceps. Hold a pair of dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Bring the weights up towards your shoulders and then slowly lower them back down. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Exercise 5. Lateral raises. Now let's move on to lateral raises. This exercise targets your shoulders and helps to tone your arms. Hold a pair of dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Lift the weights out to the sides until they reach shoulder height, then slowly lower them back down. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Exercise 6. Shoulder press. Shoulder presses are great for toning your shoulders and arms. Hold a pair of dumbbells with your palms facing forward. Lift the weights up to shoulder height, then push them up overhead until your arms are fully extended. Slowly lower the weights back down. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Exercise 7. Plank to downward dog. Last but not least, we have a plank to downward dog exercise. This exercise targets your arms, shoulders, and core. Start in a plank position, then push your hips up and back into a downward dog position. Return to plank position and repeat. Do this exercise 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. And there you have it. Those are the 7 must-try exercises for toning your arms. Remember to combine these exercises with a healthy diet and regular exercise routine to see the best results. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and exercises. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.